Hello and welcome to another How to Draw Stuff with me, Calvin Innes. We're going to work on something really quick today. We're going to work on a little monster, starting off with kind of a fat drip shape. Let's just put a few little guidelines on there so we know the direction we're going in. I want one eye on this side, same on the other side of the line. There we go. Now the mouth for this guy, we want to be quite big. We want to be taking up most of the monster here. So starting off slightly off the shape. There we go. Bring that round for the bottom lip. And up here, I'm going to draw it in under the eye. Now, I'm going to sketch in kind of a ball shape there. We want the same over the other side, but this is kind of hidden behind the monster. Now under here, we're going to have a foot. Again, it's very loosely sketching a couple of little oval shapes. I'm going to sketch in a rough shape for a tail, like curling round. There we go. Now, the lines we want to keep here, we're going to go up a bit thicker, so for our monster's thigh, curving round here, the back of the leg, and the top little bit of the foot there, not the whole thing. We're just going to square off the front a little bit, just where it touches the floor. Again, let's get there a little bit darker underneath the monster. Go back there in a minute with add a bit of shading. Then we've got the back leg in. Now up here, I want to add a bit of shape over the eyes here and carry on up to the top. Okay, let's just thicken up those lines around the bottom of the eyes again. We're going to put some little pupils in, looking off to the side. Okay, just thicken up this line here. Going to have a couple little teeth. There we go. The tail. Keep those lines in. Thicken this up ever so slightly as it goes towards the bottom, where the shadows are a little bit thicker. A few little lines for the hairy tail there. A bit of nice and wispy at the end. Now finally, put a couple of little antennae on the top. And then we just want to add a little bit more interest to this now, so we're going to add a few spots around the back of the head and the back of the legs, up here on the thigh. So we don't want to cover the monster with spots, we just want a few sort of here and there. Put extra lines around the eyes. And we're just going to sit this guy down by putting a bit of shadow underneath his feet, just so he's not floating there. And then have a little bit of shadow underneath him. There you go. Super quick monster.